Instagram hack you don't want to miss, part 10.
Open Instagram, hit the plus sign, and go to story. Search the filters by swiping all the way to the right and hit search. Then search Polaroid by F. Hit the first one and hit save. Upload the image to your story and swipe over to the saved filter. Now you're going to download this image to your phone. Go back to Instagram, hit plus, reel, and upload that video. Once it's uploaded, you can hit the video and adjust the speed to make it long or short. Once you do that, you're going to add your hook to your video. For this example, I'll put Steal My Instagram Growth Strategy. Click it twice to remove the background and drag it into place. Now hit the music icon for a trending sound. All trending music will always have an arrow next to it, so select that one. Now you have the perfect reel idea. How cool is that? Follow me for more tips and tricks.